Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to iron satin dress. Gather a low heat iron, a clean pressing cloth, and a padded hanger before you start. Work in a well-lit space. Turn the dress inside out and smooth by hand, then use short, gentle presses without sliding the iron across fabric. Allow the satin to cool between passes and hang immediately to set the finish. Prepare the dress by checking care labels and removing accessories. Lay a clean towel on the board and pin small hems flat with mylar or cotton tape for even pressing. For seams, press gently from the wrong side and use a pressing cloth for whole panels. Keep iron movements brief and lift between presses to avoid stretching satin. Finish by misting lightly with water and hanging to dry fully and completely. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy gentle routines, try the Echo Dot smart speaker for soft timers, music, and voice lighting control. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more care tips. I love using the Echo Dot to set hands-free timers when prepping fabrics and keeping playlists calm while I work. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Deal with stubborn wrinkles by using a handheld steamer or steam from the iron without touching fabric. Place a pressing cloth and test steam intensity on a seam before larger passes. For area control, roll the dress onto a towel and press curved sections with fingertips beneath the cloth. Avoid starch or heavy sprays that can stiffen satin and cause spotting. Store the dress loosely on a padded hanger to preserve the smooth finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.